Everybody at? Oh, I'm here, Bowser. Good you're here. Where's the other? I just hired some people because the others, they're just, Mario is just killing them. We gotta kill Mario. If it's the last thing I do. Okay. Only one person? No. There's another person. Ugh. So, yeah, what do they do? They're like Mario, the brothers or something. I thought there were only two. They're stepbrothers, okay? Okay. So, I'm going now. I don't like this. Oh, wait. Give me $1,000, like, ask Mario. And then, I'll give you $1 million. Oh, I'll say, because we will. Ouch. It's actually a lie. Oh, I'm here. Hello there. Hi. What do you guys want? I'm asking if you can give us, some money. I want some money. You're the one who's more greedy, Wario. I only care about not really nothing. Okay, we can't. What? You're not going to give us money? You're not going to. Okay, Wario. We know what to do. Wait, no, don't kill us. We're nice, I promise. And I'll give you something. Yeah, I'll give you something. I'll give you this Goku toy. A Goku toy. I don't like Goku. I don't like Dragon Ball Z. Okay then. Oh. Okay, come on. What? Wait, where are you taking us? Come on, Wario. I got them. Oh, okay. Yeah, I got them. No, actually, I got them, not you, Wario. So, what are you gonna do to them, sir? Please don't kill us. Yep, we'll kill you. Okay, so, we're gonna dip them in a boil of acid. Boiling acid. What boiling acid? Ah! Okay, come on. Oh, yes, we'll come. You guys stay there. I'll tape you. Actually, someone guard them. Yeah, I got them. Okay, come on. Okay. Look at it boil. Hey, Boo, how about you pour it in? Sure, Master. I'll try. Okay. I'll do it. You have two little arms. Okay. So now, since we're done with that, let's go back to the lab. Okay, so come on, Mario, get off. Okay, so we'll pour Mario. I will pour him inside. No! Luigi, help me. But I don't want to die. You only care about yourself. Ow! Okay, then. If you can't do it, go away. I'll do it myself. Ouch! Ow! You bit my finger. Ow. Oh. That's not that hurting. Yeah. Is that hurting to you? Ow. Okay, then get them before they get away. Hold him. Yeah. Oh, no. Let me go. Ow. Ooh. Get off. No! He's mine. Ow! Help me! Hi! Yeah. Oh! I got him. Okay, great. Now pour him in. No! Hi! Ow! Oh! Ow! It's so acid! It burns! It burns! Ow! Ow! I'll do it then. Luigi, you're messing it up. You boil. Ow! Oh! Oof. Not so fast. You think you can just go like that? Oh, no. Yeah, oh. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Ah! My head. Oh, am I growing a bald spot? Oh. You guys are two goofy heads, so go away. I'll do it myself. This is the last time you mess with me, Mario. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Hiya. This is the last time, Mario. Hiya. Oh. Ouch. Ow. I'm stuck. Ow! My nose. It's burning. Oh! Ow! Ow! Oh! Woo! Luigi, where are you? I found you, Luigi. Come on, we gotta get out of here. Hey, Mario. What is this supposed to be? Wait, no, Luigi, that's acid. That's acid.